Number 1. 1965 Mercury Comet Wagon, $4,500, Lynchburg, Virginia. This 1965 Mercury Comet wagon is an appealing survivor that offers classic station wagon charm at an affordable price. Powered by a dependable 6-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission and power steering, it represents the practical side of mid-1960s American motoring. Recently removed from indoor storage, the wagon starts, stops, and moves under its own power, although a thorough mechanical inspection is recommended before regular road use. The glass appears to be in good condition, and the functional rear roll-up window is a nice feature that is often problematic on vintage wagons. Needing only a rear bumper and general recommissioning, this Comet presents a solid foundation for collectors seeking a rare and usable classic family wagon. Number 2. 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe, $8,500, Virginia Beach, Virginia. Few cars symbolize the American pony car era better than the 1965 Ford Mustang. This example has remained with the same owner since the 1970s and is equipped with the desirable 289 cubic inch V8 engine and 3-speed manual transmission. The seller reports that it runs and drives well, while recent maintenance includes a new fuel tank, carburetor, and wheel cylinders. The original interior remains remarkably well preserved for its age. Rust around the wheel wells and a slight brake pull indicate areas that need attention, but overall this Mustang offers an honest driving experience and plenty of vintage character. It is an ideal entry-level V8 Mustang for enthusiasts who enjoy improving a classic over time. Number 3. 1962 Ford Galaxie 500 two-door, $10,000, Vanceboro, North Carolina. This 1962 Ford Galaxie 500 is a stylish full-size Ford featuring a 352 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission. The red exterior and matching red interior create an eye-catching presentation that reflects the bold styling of the early 1960s. Equipped with Magnum 500 wheels and retaining nearly all of its original trim and badges, the car appears complete and well cared for. The seats are reportedly in good condition, and the front bumper has been professionally re-chromed. Aside from a non-functioning fuel gauge, this Galaxie appears ready to be enjoyed as a weekend cruiser while offering plenty of nostalgic appeal. Number 4. 1979 Oldsmobile Cutlass, $8,000, Long Beach, California. The 1979 Oldsmobile Cutlass was one of the most popular personal luxury cars of its era, and this example remains a running and driving project. Showing just over 75,000 miles, it retains its original interior and a dashboard that is reportedly in excellent condition. The car needs paint work, but otherwise appears to be a straightforward cosmetic restoration candidate. With only 2 owners and a reputation for reliability, this Cutlass offers a solid platform for someone looking to restore one of General Motors' most successful late 1970s models. Number 5. 1969 Zaporozhets 966B, $9,999 Mission Viejo, California. For collectors seeking something truly unusual, this 1969 Zaporozhets 966B is one of the rarest vehicles on the list. Built in the former Soviet Union, the Zaporozhets is seldom seen in North America, with the seller estimating fewer than 15 examples in the United States. Its compact dimensions, rear engine layout, and distinctive styling make it a fascinating conversation piece. While it may not offer the performance of American muscle cars, its rarity and historical significance make it highly attractive to collectors interested in unusual automotive history. Number 6. 1974 Dodge Dart Swinger V8, $3,800, Bakersfield, California. This 1974 Dodge Dart Swinger is an affordable Mopar project powered by a 318 cubic inch V8. Performance upgrades including long tube headers, a performance camshaft, Edelbrock intake manifold, and carburetors suggest it was once built as a street-oriented muscle car. The updated seat upholstery and carpet improve the cabin, although the headliner and dashboard need attention. Rust around the vinyl roof area and the salvage title reduce collector value, but the car runs, moves, and brakes, making it a promising restoration candidate for enthusiasts seeking inexpensive V8 Mopar performance. Number 7. 1966 Chevrolet Corvair, $6,500, Santa Maria, California. The Chevrolet Corvair remains one of the most distinctive American cars ever built thanks to its rear-mounted, air-cooled engine. This 1966 example offers attractive styling and historical significance, as the Corvair represented Chevrolet's most unconventional engineering effort. The seller notes that it ran when parked and is being sold as is. While mechanical recommissioning will likely be necessary, the car presents a great opportunity for collectors seeking a unique classic that stands apart from traditional American sedans and muscle cars. Number 8. 1977 Pontiac Grand Prix, $14,500, Flint, Michigan. This 1977 Pontiac Grand Prix is a well-preserved personal luxury coupe powered by its original 350 cubic inch Pontiac V8 and automatic transmission. Believed to have approximately 79,000 original miles, it benefits from documentation through the Pontiac Historical Society. The silver and black two-tone paint, modern wheels, fresh carpet, upgraded suspension, and dual exhaust enhance its appearance while preserving its classic identity. The car runs, drives, shifts, and stops properly, making it one of the more complete and road-ready classics in this group. Number 9. 1962 Ford Falcon two-door, $4,000, Davis, California. This all-original 1962 Ford Falcon is a simple and honest compact classic. Equipped with a 3-speed manual transmission mounted on the steering column, it represents a style of driving that has largely disappeared from modern roads. The seller reports that nearly everything works except the brakes, and believes the engine will run with a fresh battery. Extensive paperwork dating back to the early years of ownership adds historical value. While it requires towing and mechanical attention, the Falcon appears complete and unmodified. qualities that are increasingly difficult to find. Number 10. 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe, $7,500, Sacramento, California. This 1965 Mustang offers a different approach from its V8 sibling by retaining its original inline six-cylinder engine and automatic transmission. The body is described as straight and rust-free, with clean floor pans and decent paint. With only 2 owners and a clean title, it represents a solid foundation for preservation or light restoration. While not as powerful as V8-equipped Mustangs, 6-cylinder cars are appreciated for their simplicity, reliability, and affordability, making this an attractive entry-level Mustang. Number 11. 1964 Chevrolet Classic, $6,000, Reno, Nevada. This 1964 Chevrolet has already received significant interior restoration work, with the seller reporting a fully redone cabin. The exterior requires minor bodywork and fresh paint, making it an ideal project for someone seeking a largely completed restoration. Manual transmission models from this era provide a more engaging driving experience, and the combination of fresh interior components and solid mechanical fundamentals could make this an excellent value among mid-1960s Chevrolet projects. Number 12. 1972 Buick Electra 25, $7,500, Manchester, Tennessee. The Buick Electra 225 was one of General Motors' flagship luxury cars, and this example has been customized with modern air suspension technology. Powered by Buick's legendary 455 cubic inch V8 engine, it features a Holley carburetor, oversized wheels, LED headlights, and a sophisticated air ride system complete with dual compressors and an 8-gallon tank. The seller reports that it runs and drives great. Combining classic luxury with modern customization, this Electra is likely to attract attention at both car shows and cruise nights. Number 13. 1978 Buick Skylark Coupe, $2,500, Westminster, South Carolina. At just $2,500, this all-original 1978 Buick Skylark may be one of the best bargains in the group. Powered by the reliable 3.8-liter V6 engine, it remains largely untouched and retains its original trim. Built on the same platform as the Chevrolet Nova, these Skylarks are known for their simplicity and durability. The car runs and drives and appears to have only minor cosmetic imperfections. For buyers seeking an inexpensive classic that can be enjoyed immediately, this Buick deserves serious consideration. Number 14. 1972 Cadillac Coupe DeVille, $7,000, Fort Valley, Georgia. This 1972 Cadillac Coupe DeVille delivers the luxury and presence that made Cadillac famous during the early 1970s. Powered by a massive 472 cubic inch V8, backed by a turbo-hydromatic 400 transmission, it offers effortless cruising performance. The car runs and drives well, though it would benefit from brake work and an alignment. Non-functional air conditioning, wipers, and passenger side window are relatively common issues for large luxury cars of this era. Despite those needs, it remains an attractive and affordable full-size Cadillac cruiser. Number 15. 1979 Chevrolet Malibu Classic Estate Wagon, $5,500, Vinmont, Alabama. Station wagons continue to gain popularity among collectors, and this 1979 Chevrolet Malibu Classic Estate wagon offers originality with its factory engine and transmission still in place. The vehicle is reportedly 99% complete, which is an important advantage for any restoration project. Engine backfiring through the carburetor suggests tuning or ignition issues that will require diagnosis. The absence of a title may complicate ownership depending on local regulations, but for the right buyer, this wagon could become a distinctive family cruiser or custom project. Number 16. 1962 Chevrolet Corvair, $3,900, Mount Sherman, Kentucky. This 1962 Chevrolet Corvair is one of the most affordable running and driving classics in the group. Equipped with a 4-speed manual transmission, it provides an engaging driving experience that highlights the Corvair's unique rear engine design. The seller reports that it runs and drives well, although the speedometer is not functioning and actual mileage is unknown. For under $4,000, this Corvair offers an accessible entry into one of the most interesting chapters of American automotive history and could be an excellent hobby car for enthusiasts seeking something different.